Good morning, YouTube. I hope you are all doing great. Today is Sunday, and I have decided to go to Chamundi Hill. This is my fourth or fifth time, probably trying to go to Chamundi Hills, and unfortunately, every time I go, it'll be closed in the mornings. So I completely washed my bike today. It looks super clean, and I badly wanted to go to Chamundi Hill. I mean, I've been trying to go there since probably around a month, and unfortunately I haven't been able to go there till now. So yeah, this is going to be a nice quick short spin, but this is going to be typically about the ride and journey up until Chamundi Hills. So I'll start my bike, warm it up, and then I'll catch you guys on the road. Bye bye. And the Chamundi Hill is hardly about 3 to 5 minutes away from my home. I mean the bottom part, the starting point towards the Chamundi Hill. It's hardly about 2 kilometers away, 2.5. So I have completed about 1,130 kilometers on this beauty, and then man, this bike loves cornering. This craves for cornering, man. It builds such a lot of confidence in you when you want to corner. It is just amazing. This is going to be my first solo ride on this new machine to Chamundi Hill. This is the gate from where the main Chamundi Hill starts, and there was an arch behind. Let me click one picture over here. Oh boy. That was freaking scary, man. Man, look at this view. This view never gets old on you. And the view looks much better from the viewpoint actually. So yeah, let's start our ride. So yeah, on the left you will see the viewpoint. The viewpoint, that is the way towards Chamundi Hill, but now apparently there has been a landslide there. So that is the viewpoint. I'll just show you from the viewpoint once how it looks. During this point of time, apparently there are tons and tons of tourists around. That is the race course over there. It looks really pretty. And then right in front of it is apparently the first mall of Mysore. And the name also is Mall of Mysore. So yeah, man, there's a view. Usually what we generally do is, local Mysoreans, we come over here in the evening, we park our bikes here and then sit on these dividers and then just look at the view. Usually we sit, we keep talking, have lots of fun. And Beta is just beauty. Beta is emotion, man. For no reason we come to Beta. For any reason we come to Beta.